Hi everyone. Today I wanted to do something a little bit special and talk to you about the Noriko wig that I've purchased. But what's special about that? Well, nothing special about the wig, but where I purchased it from. So I'm a member of the Facebook group called Beauty Nook. If you don't know what Beauty Nook is, or if you have never visited the page, see the link down below. It's a private group, so you can talk about everything related to your hair loss journey, to wig wearing, if you are just a lover of wigs, but also you'll have access to beautiful wigs or wigs that you might have never thought about purchasing previously. There are some really great live events where you can go on and purchase wigs at fantastic prices. The last live, I think there was around 180 to 200 people. So it's a really great place where you can go on and chat about wigs. And Leanne Thompson, who is the lovely host of the live and of the page, you can contact her directly to ask about wigs or purchasing wigs or even styling options for your wigs as well. So if you haven't already joined, the link is down below. So today I'll be talking about the wig that I purchased on one of the lives a few weeks ago, and that is a Noriko wig. So I would have never thought about buying a Noriko wig previously, but yeah, I saw it on the live, I absolutely loved it, and I was a lucky person who ended up snagging that great deal. So without further ado, let's jump on to the unboxing and try on portion of this video. So this is the Noriko box. I'll quickly pull the wig out. I won't show you what it looks like inside because everyone has seen a wig in a box. So this is her right here. It's Janelle in the color Maple Sugar R. So this is such a pretty color. Look at those highlights, look at that blending. Not much of a root. As you can see, it's more like a bit of a shaded root rather than very intense dark root, but oh so pretty. Janelle has some really long layers. Yeah, I might need to brush those out when I try her on, but I'll try her on first without brushing her out so you can see what it looks like when it arrives in the box. Janelle has a mono top. She doesn't have a lace front, so I'll demonstrate some tips and tricks that I've learnt about how to wear this classic kind of front for when you have a bald head. So yeah, let me show you the inside of the cap real quickly. It has open wefting in the back, quite stretchy, quite roomy. She has just basic ear tabs, so that hopefully will be nice and cool in the summertime, and a basic nape, not too extended, and there are no metal stays actually, so we'll see how she lays on the back of my head. So this is Janelle. The Janelle that I've purchased is in Maple Sugar R. She's a very long layered piece, has some face framing layers, has a really cute bang, but yeah, she's quite piecey. In terms of length, I would probably say she's around 16 to 18 inches. I'm quite short, so I'm only 5'2", so I'd probably, yeah, let me just put the dimensions up there anyway, just in case. So I'll quickly turn around to show you what Janelle looks like before I brush her, before I fix the front, because yeah, it's not laying how I would like to wear it. She does want to lay on the side, but you can definitely shift her around because of that beautiful mono top. So let me show you Janelle from all angles. My left, back. I'll stand up a bit so you can see where it ends. And the right. Yeah, it's got this really cute bang. I'm gonna need to fix her a little bit, so I'll fast forward through how I'll brush her out and style her. Okay, so this is Janelle on. I've brushed her out slightly and I've also used my teasing comb just to tease the front a little bit. So when you get a non-lace front wig like this and you don't have any bio hair to blend in, what I would recommend is take small sections and tease really lightly together with a little bit of steam to keep it in place. And that's how you'll get the, I guess, the more styled effect like this. You'd probably want to put on some product as well. So I just wanted to show what I do to make these look a little bit more realistic. So this is my best friend when it comes to wigs like these. I think we need to talk a little bit about this shade though, because it is so stunning and I would have paid top dollar to get my hair dyed this shade, or my bio hair dyed this shade back in the day. So it is an absolutely stunning blend. I don't know if you can see it now that the sun has moved, but I'll try and put a close up. It is so stunning. I'm pretty pale now because it's winter in Sydney, so I think it really does suit my complexion. And these layers, I was a bit scared about at first, but you know what? I love them. They look fantastic. So keep a wide tooth comb in your bag to give it a comb out throughout the day if you're wearing it for a few hours, because a nape will knot up. It is a long-haired wig, so yeah, it will knot up a little bit in the back. You can teach the fibers to move a certain way. So, you know, I'd love for this to kind of curl around a little bit. Let me stand up and show you. Oh, something that I did want to note is there are quite a few hairs coming out. Now, I know that that usually happens with new wigs, but yeah, there's holy moly, I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, there's a few hairs coming out of this baby. I don't know if that happens with all Noriko wigs, but I've seen a couple of posts that, you know, they are shedders. So just keep that in mind when you're buying a Noriko the first time you brush it out, because it is quite tangly. It's a long piece, so of course it's going to be a little bit tangly, but don't be scared. You'll lose a few fibers when you do brush out your wig for the first time. So yeah, I think this is so pretty. I just wanted to give you guys a bit of a close-up of the wig itself and the mono top. So as you can see, it is very realistic. It's like the hair is coming out of my head. It is quite beautiful. Up here we do have some permatease, which I'll need to train, and I don't mind a bit of a bump in the back of my head. I think it's actually really pretty. So yeah, she's absolutely gorgeous, and I think you can wear her casually, or, you know, going out, dress it up a little bit, pin her back. So let me go grab my glasses so you can see what this style looks like with glasses on. Oh wow, she looks very, very pretty. Yeah, the glasses fit quite nice underneath the ear tabs, so you won't have an issue. It won't be too bulky. I do wear glasses to read, so they have to be comfortable under the ear tabs. So this just slides in and out. It's not overly bulky, just so you guys can see a bit of a close-up here. Yeah, it fits really nicely, and this style is very cute with glasses as well, so definitely a winner. So my final thoughts on this wig are thumbs up. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. I couldn't have picked a better wig, I think. Such a beautiful style. So keep your eyes peeled for more new wigs on my page from the Beauty Nook Facebook group. Again, see the link down below, go join the group. Yeah, I'm so excited to receive this. As you can tell, I have a beaming smile on my face and the sun is beaming through my room. So I hope you enjoyed my review today. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.